In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive message requests from no one on X, formerly Twitter, so you can stop unwanted message requests and keep your inbox more private. This is a quick setting, but it's really useful if you want more control over who can contact you. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media guides. Let's get started. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. If you don't see the full menu, click More to expand the extra options. Once the menu opens, click Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll find all of your account controls, privacy settings, and messaging preferences. From there, click Privacy and Safety. On this page, you'll see the different options that control how people interact with your account. Next, click Chat. This section controls message request permissions and other chat-related settings. Now look for the section that says Allow message requests from. You should see a few options here, and to block message requests completely, select No One. Once you toggle that on, X will stop allowing message requests from anyone, which means your inbox will be much quieter and more private. After that, you can simply back out of the settings, and the change will be saved automatically. And that's it. You've now set X so that no one can send you message requests. If this video helped you out, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial.